Hey, welcome back to Lamb Chop Builds. How's everyone doing today? We're going to start another little like rebuild video, cleaning one up, whatever. We're something I built. I don't know. I might have been 13, 12, a little older. I don't know. And they didn't offer the kit, but I wanted this kit. I wanted the body because it's my favorite race car driver, and I wanted the car to look like his. So I'm going to show it as it is sits now. Then my plans for it. So let's turn around and get to it. My other microphone went dead. So I'm going to start over this little. There's the hood. Here's the monstrosity. I don't know what all was done. I don't even know what I said. I built this years ago. I don't know how old I was. My dad bought the stencil so I could at least get the two on the roof looking okay. It's got me. You can see a fingerprint in there. I think the paint ain't even. You know, tester's yellow paint, hand painted the red stripes, no masking tape on it. This thing was, it's ugly. I'll tell you that now, it's ugly. I was proud of it. I painted a wood block, a 2x4 block of wood, yellow, black, and red for it to sit on, and I'm sure I still got that block of wood somewhere. I don't know. I might have chucked it by now. Or it's in hiding. It may still be in a box somewhere. We're going to try and get the glass out of here as best I can. And then we're going to soak it, get the paint off of it, and we're going to repaint it. And I'm going to buy some decals for this, and so we're going to have like some befores and afters of this ugly thing. I think it'll look better. At least getting I could just strip it, and yeah, it's going to look a lot better. I may feel a little more proud of it. No, I'm proud of it. I liked it because I thought it was cool that I done it when it was like a custom, for lack of a better word, when I was a youngster. And I might have been 14. Who knows how old I was? I can't remember now. The trunk don't come off, so we may end up. That's when the spoilers wanting to come off, so I can get it off without it breaking. Yeah. So we'll clean up where I can. We'll get the paint stripped down first. This may take a while to do. I'm sure that's a decal. Supposed to be a decal there I wrote on that side. I don't know. But we'll get started on this. I may do a video a month on it, or however often I do. It ain't gonna be a want to get it done right away type of thing, but we'll get it done. Here's the. I'm not gonna touch this. I ain't worried. I may paint it. I don't know. Brush paint some of it. Because I don't feel like taking it apart. I don't see the need to take it apart. I'm worried about the body on this thing. Maybe brush paint a little bit on the window net, or cut the window net out and buy one of them ones, the fabric one or something. Who knows? We'll do something with it just to update it. I don't know what decal that is down in the dash. I probably built this in a weekend back then. I started on a Saturday morning. I got up, and by Sunday night, a couple days later, we was done. Probably Krylon, black paint, and the yellow. I know that's probably yellow spray paint. Then that's probably that's probably some kind of yellow spray paint down here. You can see it's thick. It ran. This is red tester's enamel, yellow and red tester's enamel. This is all. That's probably white testers. Yeah. And windows are glued in good too. Some of them that may come out. We'll see. I don't want to break anything. That's for sure. Because then I'd regret trying this. Anything can be fixed. It does come up broke. That glue helped for the broke. And by the looks of it, I don't know how I got overspray all over that window, but I did. Oh. Yeah, at least we got the back window out so far. I think I'm going to call it. I don't want to break anything. Take my time. I ain't going to video everything I do to it, but I may end up being able to soak it and then get the windows out easier. With that, we will see how it looks here. This will be like a top view of before. We may work on them tires a little bit. They're glued in. We may figure something out, pull them apart, leave the hubs or the wheel backs in there, or at least get the paint off the lettering. We'll see. Happy miling. We'll see you next time.